Okay, right now I'm going to take the time and to let you know about some things I hate and some things I like. Okay, first off, I'm going to start with guys. The things I hate about when guys do, they'll tell you they love you, but then they'll go off and flirt and kiss other girls or be with them. And then another thing, they date you, but then later on after you breaking up, like if people ask you if you dated them, the guys are like, no, and if I did, I probably was out of my head because I don't think she's pretty. And then another thing is they'll go to other people and say, and they'll brush you off and say like, yeah, if I dated her, I don't know why I did. She's ugly, she's stupid, she's not intelligent or smart. And then they'll come over to you and say, I think you're beautiful, I think you're smart, I think you're amazing, and that I love you. It makes me mad about that. And then things I hate about what people do, they bug and prod you a lot. I'm known to do that a lot, but still, it bothers me, and it probably bothers other people too, even though I do it sometimes. But and it's just annoying, and it's stupid. And other things I hate when people do, they say you're friends, but then they go behind your back, and then they say, no, I can't believe she's so ugly. Oh my god. And then things I hate about school. Oh my gosh. The cliques. They're so stupid. I can't believe that they're actually doing this. I mean, popular people with popular people, regular people with regular people, and loser people with loser people. I hate it. Why can't we all just be friends? Just because you're prettier or you're better looking than other people doesn't mean you're more popular or you're better than them. It's by your actions. And when teachers, they give you work, well, okay, but they still need to help you if you don't get it. I mean, it's stupid because they'll give you work, and then if you ask them a question, they'll ignore you. And it just bothers me. Okay, some things that I like about guys. Well, the things I like about guys is that they're sweet and they won't like brush you off or anything. And they think of you a lot, and they'll respect you. Second thing I like about guys is if they take up for you. They take up for you and everything, and if somebody's talking bad about you. And the third thing I like about guys is when they respect you, and but to give you privacy. So yeah. And then things I like about people, well, they're always people that are sweet and nice and kind. That's things I like about people. And things I like about school, sociability. You get to spend time with your friends that you don't get to do at home. You get to see them face to face, and you get to do other things. So those are things I like and hate. Bye.